Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1233, indicates an open in the air mix control motor circuit, specifically related to the driver's side in Honda Accord models from 2023 and onwards. This error occurs when the air mix control system detects that the input voltage from the air mix control motor exceeds the specified limits, prompting the climate control unit to flag this abnormality. The air mix control motor is responsible for blending the air temperature by opening or closing based on user settings and environmental conditions. It is usually located within the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system of the vehicle, especially in the vicinity of the climate control unit. When this DTC is triggered, it can significantly affect the climate control performance, potentially leading to improper temperature regulation inside the vehicle. Understanding the functionality and interrelationship of these components is critical for effective diagnosis and repair. DTC B1233 indicates an open in the air mix control motor circuit for the driver's side of the Honda Accord. The air mix control motor plays a vital role in managing the air temperature by adjusting the blend of hot and cold air coming from the HVAC system. This component is crucial for maintaining a comfortable driving environment. The air mix control motor is typically located near the climate control unit under the dashboard, an area which might require some disassembly to access. A circuit open means that there's a disruption in the wiring, which causes the climate control unit to register an error state. If the voltage input from this motor is beyond specified levels, it becomes necessary to inspect both the motor and all related wiring for any faults. Several possible causes can lead to DTC B1233 being triggered. One likely cause is a malfunctioning air mix control motor itself, which may have lost its ability to effectively manage temperature regulation. Another potential issue could be within the external circuit, specifically in the wiring that connects the air mix control motor to the climate control unit. Faulty connectors or damaged wires can result in an open circuit, generating the error signal. Furthermore, problems with the climate control unit itself, such as in its internal circuit, could also cause this DTC. Each of these components needs careful examination to isolate the precise reason for the malfunction. The symptoms associated with DTC B1233 can significantly hinder driving comfort and overall vehicle functionality. One prominent symptom is an inconsistent cabin temperature, where the heating and cooling do not respond correctly to driver settings. This inconsistency can lead to discomfort during varying weather conditions. Additionally, the climate controls might behave erratically, with buttons not changing the settings as intended. Other drivers may notice the DTC indicator light illuminating on the dashboard, alerting them to a system issue. Addressing these symptoms is crucial not only for comfort, but also for maintaining the functionality and longevity of the HVAC system. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC B1233, we begin by ensuring that the air mix control motor connector is properly disconnected. Moving forward, you must turn the vehicle to the on mode to check the input voltage levels more effectively. During this check, measure the output voltage at the unit, which should be approximately 5 volts. This voltage level is critical as it indicates whether the air mix control motor is functioning correctly or if an underlying issue exists. If the readings align with the expected voltage, it suggests the air mix control motor may have a fault itself. However, any significant deviation could point to another related component malfunctioning within this circuit. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to inspecting the wiring in the external circuit linked to the air mix control motor. Begin by disconnecting the air mix control motor connector alongside the climate control unit connector to enable thorough testing. Once both connectors are free, you'll want to measure the resistance within the respective circuits marked as AMD-PDR and SENS-COM. For a healthy circuit, it is essential that both wires show less than 1 ohm resistance. Any readings above this threshold indicate a potential complication in the circuit that needs addressing, such as shorted or broken wires, which can lead to DTC B1233. The final troubleshooting step aims to verify the climate control unit's internal circuit after confirming that the air mix control motor connectors are disconnected. With the climate control unit connector still off, switch the vehicle to the on mode. At this stage, it's crucial to check the unit's internal circuit for output voltage, which should also measure around 5 volts. If the voltage deviates from this expected range, it flags potential issues within the climate control unit itself, suggesting that it may not be communicating adequately with the air mix control motor. Understanding these relationships helps ensure all facets of the climate control system are functioning correctly and that the DTC can be cleared appropriately after repairs. After executing troubleshooting and any required repairs, it is crucial to perform a final verification to ensure that the DTC B1233 has been resolved. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the stored DTC. Following this, test the HVAC system for functional performance to see that it's operating according to driver settings. Check for any signs of error codes reappearing during this test. If the system runs smoothly without registering DTCs, it confirms that the earlier issues have been resolved. This step solidifies that not only was the DTC addressed, but the overall climate control system is now reliable. Preventive maintenance is essential to ensure the air mix control motor and climate control system remain in optimal working condition in Honda Accord models. Regular inspections of the wiring connected to the air mix control motor should be performed to identify any fraying or wear that could lead to future issues. Furthermore, the operation of the air mix control motor itself should be checked periodically to confirm that it responds properly to driver inputs. Regular maintenance of the climate control unit helps prevent sensor errors and keeps the overall system calibrated correctly. Implementing these practices can aid in early detection of potential problems, avoiding the inconvenience of DTCs like B1233, and ensuring a comfortable driving experience. In conclusion, DTC B1233 serves as an important diagnostic code that signifies an open in the air mix control motor circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Identifying this issue is key for maintaining effective climate control inside the vehicle. Emphasis was placed on inspecting the air mix control motor, as well as the external wiring leading to and from it, and the climate control unit. Thorough testing of voltage levels and resistance in the circuit are critical steps in diagnosing the underlying issue causing the DTC. Preventive maintenance and careful monitoring of system performance will play a significant role in avoiding future complications and ensuring trusted operation of the vehicle's HVAC system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.